with our setup and plan, and this is London session towards London session, and this is our setup and plan, right? As I told you, first thing first is always market structure, and this was our last breakout structure to the downside. Then this was our change of character to the upside, then breakout structure to the upside. Then we had to move to 15 minutes. We have two order blocks, have the one hour order block, then the 15 minutes order block. And if you go and watch our video, we already planned this, and we are just waiting patiently to get into our trade after getting that confirmation. Now we are planning that if the price taps here and then we get a buy confirmation around here, we're going to buy, targeting the next swing high. That's scenario number one. Then scenario number two, if the price proceeds up to order block, this H1 order block, then we're gonna wait for the buy confirmation around here, then we continue buying this. Then scenario number three, if the price disrespect these two order blocks, I'll just wait for the break, then a retest. On this retest, I'll wait for that, look for that confirmation, that sell confirmation, and then I continue sell. That's it. We just have to be patient right now. Then for Euro USD, you can clearly see at our break of structure, then we had our change of character. But before we had this change of character, this was our bearish order block, right? Then after this bearish order block being disrespected, then automatically it became into our bullish breaker block, right? Now we are waiting for the two scenarios. We need to see this price close above this 30 minutes candle and this 1 minute to shift back. This 1 minute to shift back, because this 1 minute is bearish. We want to see this 1 minute to shift back to bullish, then we look for our entry. With our entry on a 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 30 minutes fair value gap, what you call that imbalance. So for now, you have to be a little bit more patient. And then for gold, it's also still very simple. We just need to wait for the price. This was a bearish order block. We just need to wait for the price to come and sweep this liquidity here. Then after that will be scenario number one. Then you look for that 1 minute fail, that 1 minute shift. That will be scenario number one. Then scenario number two, if the price disrespect this order block, now wait for the break, then the retest, then we look for buy confirmation from here, then we continue buying, right? Then for GBP JPY, if you see closely, it's still moving up and up. Price came, tapped into this order block, and then the price continued up. So from here, then you have another order block. It's already mitigated. In such scenario, if you don't see any order block, you just use your fib tool, then you measure that from this swing low, to the swing high. Then you mark out your order block just in our discount golden level. Then that's your order block. But scenario number one, I'm expecting this price to come here. Then we look for buy confirmation. Then we continue up. Then scenario number two, if the price disrespect this order block, then I'll just wait for the break, then retest, then a continuation to the downside. Then for GBP JPY, super simple price action. As you can see, we had our change of character, then a break of structure to the upside. But before we had this, we had our order block, which was here. But the price disrespected this, then automatically this became our sell breaker block, but we couldn't enter and we didn't even get our entry confirmation from there. Why? we didn't get the confirmation, but even if we got that confirmation, I wouldn't have entered that trade. Why? Because we had a lot of liquidity here up, and then we had a fair value gap full of liquidity which was here. So I'll just be patient and wait, right? And wait for the price to sweep out some liquidity here. Then if I get confirmation around here, then I'll continue selling. If I don't get that, then you still have this order block, this extreme order block up here. You can see this extreme bearish order block. So at the moment, I just have to be a little bit more patient until I get that entry confirmation, that a plus setup. Then I risk my money. Then I try to make up some money with the proper risk management plan, with the proper risk management and a better risk to reward ratio. Okay, that's it, guys.